Have you ever wondered what separates the financially stable from those constantly struggling to make ends meet? It's a pertinent question, isn't it? Financial stability and success don't just happen overnight. They are the result of making informed decisions, understanding the value of money, and knowing how to make it work for you. The secrets to these can be found in some of the best financial and self-help books. The keys to financial success are not as elusive as they seem. They are hidden in plain sight within the pages of some of the best financial and self-help books. We begin our journey with a classic, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book is a treasure trove of financial wisdom, a cornerstone in the world of personal finance literature. Its key lessons revolve around the importance of financial education, the difference between an asset and a liability, and the concept of making money work for you rather than the other way round. The first lesson Kiyosaki imparts is about financial education. He stresses that being financially literate is not just about understanding numbers, it's about understanding the difference between an asset and a liability, a crucial distinction that many of us fail to make. In Kiyosaki's words, rich people acquire assets. The poor and middle class acquire liabilities that they think are assets. So what's the difference between an asset and a liability? Simply put, an asset puts money into your pocket, while a liability takes money out. Your car, for instance, is a liability. It might look good in your driveway, but it's costing you money in maintenance, insurance, and depreciation. On the other hand, a rental property that provides a steady income stream is an asset. The next lesson from Rich Dad, Poor Dad is about making money work for you. It's a shift in thinking from earning money through labor to earning money through assets. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of investing in income-generating assets such as real estate, stocks, or bonds. It's about creating a sustainable income stream that doesn't require you to trade your time for money. Finally, Kiyosaki talks about the importance of minding your own business. He means focusing on your financial affairs, investing in your financial education, and building and keeping your asset column strong. The wisdom from Rich Dad, Poor Dad is timeless, its lessons profound. The book encourages you to step out of the rat race, to stop living paycheck to paycheck, and to start building wealth. As Kiyosaki teaches us, financial stability is not about how much money you earn, but how you manage and invest it. Next, we delve into the timeless wisdom of Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich. A classic in the realm of financial literature, this book holds invaluable insights on the path to monetary prosperity. The book's teachings revolve around key principles, one of which is the power of desire. Hill persuasively argues that a burning desire, a deep-seated longing for financial success, is the first step towards realizing your financial dreams. It's not about a mere wish or a half-hearted want. It's about instilling in yourself an intense craving for wealth, so intense that your subconscious mind is consumed by it. Then Hill talks about faith, a steadfast belief in one's ability to achieve financial success. He asserts that faith acts as the catalyst that transforms the power of thought into its physical equivalent. It's the unwavering confidence in your financial plan and your capacity to execute it. This faith, according to Hill, has the ability to elevate your thoughts, filling them with a positivity that attracts wealth. Persistence, another cornerstone of Hill's teachings, is defined as the ability to press on in the face of adversity. It's about standing firm in your pursuit of wealth, even when the journey gets tough. Hill emphasizes that persistence is a state of mind that can be cultivated, and that it's often the distinguishing factor between those who achieve financial success and those who fall short. Lastly, Hill underlines the importance of formulating a clear and definite financial plan. He insists that wealth rarely comes to those who do not map out their financial journey. A concrete plan coupled with continuous action is the bridge that leads to financial prosperity. Hill's book underscores the crucial role of mindset and planning in attaining financial stability. It teaches us not only to think, but to think and grow rich. It's a testament to the belief that our minds are our most powerful asset, and that with desire, faith, persistence, and a solid plan, financial success is not just a possibility, but a certainty. Our third stop is Dave Ramsey's The Total Money Makeover. This book is a classic in the world of personal finance. And for good reason. It's a guide that's both practical and inspirational, providing a clear path towards financial freedom. One of the core concepts in the Total Money Makeover is the snowball method of debt reduction. Imagine you're rolling a snowball down a hill. At first it's small and manageable, but as it rolls it picks up more snow and grows larger. Ramsey applies this concept to paying off debt. Start by tackling your smallest debt first, regardless of interest rates. Once that's paid off, move on to the next smallest and so forth. As you pay off each debt, the money you free up can be applied to the next one, creating a snowball effect until all your debt is cleared. It's a strategy that's not only effective but also incredibly satisfying. Another key point in Ramsey's book is the importance of having an emergency fund. According to Ramsey, life is unpredictable, and having a safety net of 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses can prevent a minor hiccup from turning into a major financial catastrophe. It's not about if an emergency will happen, but when. Finally, Ramsey stresses the value of living within your means. This is a timeless piece of advice that's often easier said than done, but Ramsey encourages us to see frugality not as a punishment, but as a path to financial peace. By cutting out unnecessary expenses and focusing on needs rather than wants, we can build a strong financial foundation that can withstand the ups and downs of life. In essence, the Total Money Makeover is about taking control of your money rather than letting it control you. It's about making conscious, deliberate choices about how you spend, save and invest, and understanding the impact of those choices. Ramsey's practical advice reminds us that achieving financial stability often requires a complete overhaul of our money habits. Finally, we explore the profound insights of Your Money or Your Life by Vicki, Robin and Dominguez. This isn't your typical financial advice book, oh no. It's a transformative read that changes your perception of money and value. The authors introduce an intriguing concept, that of viewing money as something traded for your life energy. It's not just paper or coins or numbers in a bank account. It's hours, days, years of your existence that you exchange for it. This perspective shift compels you to question every purchase. Is this worth the life energy I'm trading for it? An empowering question, wouldn't you agree? Robin and Dominguez also stress the importance of frugality, but wait, don't let the word frugality put you off. It's not about living a life of deprivation. It's about being mindful of your spending, making conscious choices that align with your values and goals. It's about quality over quantity, experiences over possessions, and long-term happiness over short-lived gratification. The magic of Your Money or Your Life lies in its idea of achieving financial independence. It's not about hoarding wealth or owning a luxury yacht. It's about maximizing enjoyment while minimizing spending. It's about creating a life where your happiness doesn't depend on your next paycheck. It's about breaking free from the consumerist cycle and reclaiming control over your finances. This book is a game changer. It challenges conventional wisdom, flips the script, and offers a fresh, liberating approach to money management. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about living richly on your own terms. Robin and Dominguez teach us that financial stability isn't about amassing wealth, but about finding value and purpose in how we spend our money. As we've explored these books, we've unearthed some valuable secrets to financial stability and success. From Rich Dad, Poor Dad, we learned the value of financial education and how understanding the difference between assets and liabilities can set us on the right path. It's not just about making money, it's about making your money work for you. Then we delved into Think and Grow Rich. This book taught us the power of positive thinking and the importance of setting clear and actionable goals. It reminded us that success isn't an accident, it's a product of focused intention and unwavering determination. Our journey continued with the Total Money Makeover, where we discovered the importance of living within our means and the power of a zero-based budget. It's not just about earning more, but also about spending less and saving more. Finally, Your Money or Your Life gave us a fresh perspective on our relationship with money. It's not just a tool for buying things, but a resource that can help us live more meaningful lives. Each book, in its own unique way, has provided us with insights and strategies to enhance our financial well-being. They've shown us that financial success is not a destination, but a journey of continuous learning and adaptation. Remember, the journey to financial stability is a continuous learning process, and these books are an excellent place to start. Until next time, keep turning those pages and uncovering those secrets.